cool about the bed is that this is a desk system, so you can kind of do whatever like kind of work you want, and you can still access the upper cabinet here. And because it's a two-fold system, you can be a little bit wider, so that if you want, I can show you kind of how it opens. So, super easy. Move into the bed. And then on top of it, we have like very lightweight upper cabinets. So this is like our stash system, and this is the lightweight Vandermoon system. And then we have like very lightweight kitchen modules, which you can order from us like in different kind of widths and lengths and whatnot. And this is like this is our shower module, so it's like storage, but then you can pull out the shower system. Still a prototype, so I haven't finished like all the latching. And then this is our rover vans outside of Chicago, but then we built and ship vans nationwide, and we also obviously sell parts nationwide.
Nice.